Here's a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: V8 engine, four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, trailer hitch receiver, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and front heated and ventilated leather bench seats. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. Experience it for yourself today.
Are you speaking Deacon? Visit Deacon Jones Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac today. Give us a call at 800-952-9354.